Dear Professor and TA, this is the progress video 3 for Group 6. Uh, I'm I'm gonna illustrate what we have done in the past week. So in the last week, we mainly focused on making the PowerPoint to prepare for the uh, presentation after Thanksgiving. So this is the PowerPoint we have done in the past week. We first make a video about 50 seconds. We can take a look. Sorry. And we don't want to use animation. We want to use some videos and some short data to show how we need Plan Doctor. So we have not add some music here. We may add it later. This is what we should see on the things board in the final. Yeah, and this is a semi-finished video because uh, we don't want to use this picture as a starter. So we want to make some cuts on Interstellar and use it in the video. So the video is about like 2 or 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, I think, in the at the end, and we plan to do it during the Thanksgiving. So and then we introduce why we need Plan Doctor. This should be a picture, and now you can see it's a URL. It should see some pictures taken by the drones in Utah to show the plant disease and how it caused, etc. And then we're gonna introduce our project. Uh, like we take images, measure the light and temperature, and this is how we done it, and this is what it should be seen at the things board. We made some short animation on the PPT to make it feel like comfortable. Yeah, and this is a part for uh, uh, pursuing the investors. We are not sure actually whether we should put it uh, at the start or the middle or the end. So we're gonna think it later. And we also made some data. You can see like this graph like this. This is a bit not clear, and we want to use this chart to pursue the uh, investors. So we can see here, this graph is much more clear. but we are not satisfied with the animation we have done here, so uh, we might uh, add more details later on on these charts. Yeah. So uh, mainly this is what we have done in the last week, and we think we gonna uh, finish the presentation PPT like at 80% level later before the presentation to give a good presentation on December 27th. Uh, yeah, and then we're gonna finish our project at this uh, start of the December. We think we're gonna uh, finish the module on Raspberry Pi, connect the Raspberry Pi to the XDOT, and then we're gonna use LoRa on XDOT to connect to the gateway and send it to cloud. So we estimated like we gonna finish the project in like 5 days, I think, if we work hard. But we are still facing some uh, problems like how we communicate Raspberry Pi and XDOT because um, UART is not that uh, good as we thought because the voltage on Raspberry Pi can't afford XDOT to run UART. We tested UART on both chips, they are fine, but when we connect it, uh, XDOT can receive that. So either we use another way or we fix this problem. I think this is uh, the biggest issue we are facing now, and we plan to solve it after the presentation. Yeah, and this is how we done in the last week. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching.